Today's topic is fertility related statistics. First one is general fertility rate GFR, number of live births in an area during the year by mid-year population of females aging between 15 to 44 age in same area in same year into 1000. Mid-year population is population taken on June 30 or July 1st. The disadvantages of general fertility rate is not all the women in the denominator are exposed to the risk of childbirth. Second one is general marital fertility rate. General marital fertility rate is number of live births in an area during the year by the mid-year population of married females aging between 15 to 49 years of age into 1000. Coming to the age specific fertility rate. Age specific fertility rate is equals to number of live birth in an area during the year by mid-year population of females of the same age group into 1000. General fertility rate and age specific fertility rate go in hand to hand. Coming to the age specific marital fertility rate, number of live births by mid-year population of married females of the same age group into 1000. General marital fertility rate and age specific marital fertility rate go in hand to hand. Coming to the total fertility rate, number of live birth by women in reproductive age plus age specific fertility rate into 1000. That is, total fertility rate is if the female in her reproductive age bears child at the same rate as now in this each group. Now we take 15 to 19 as one group, from 20 to 24 as one group, like 5 years we category in as one group. Maximum number of childbearing age is seen between 20 to 24 years. If the same reproductive rate is seen in all the age groups like 25 to 29, 30 to 34, if the same reproductive rate is seen in all the age group, then what is the fertility rate? That is nothing but the total fertility rate. So we categorize 5 age groups as one. So we multiply it with 5 into age specific fertility rate by 1000. Coming to the total marital fertility rate, total marital fertility rate is 5 into age specific marital fertility rate by 1000. Gross reproductive rate is, it is not number of live births, it is number of daughters born by women in reproductive age plus age specific fertility rate. So we consider females, only female live births were taken into consideration, that is 5 into age specific fertility rate of only female live births by 1000. The disadvantages of gross reproductive rate is we do not take into consideration the mortality rate. Mortality rate is not taken into consideration. Coming to the net reproductive rate, daughters born by women in reproductive age with age specific fertility rate and age specific mortality rate. This is the best indicator. Net reproductive rate is said to be is equals to 1 if two child norm is practiced, and net reproductive rate is less than 1, then the reproductive performance of the population is said to be below the replacement level.